here we are making the person stand from supine position. Okay, he is first supine and then he's standing. So what happens in this case is, whenever, first of all, there, wait, let me show you in whatever time it goes. This is important, guys. So basically you are causing pooling of blood. Person is sleeping, he's standing, the blood pools down towards his legs. So this leads to decrease in preload. The blood that goes towards heart decreases compared to the person who is supine. In standing person, the amount of blood that goes, which is known as preload, it decreases. Preload decreases, so stroke volume decreases. Stroke volume decreases, so blood pressure decreases. Blood pressure decreases. This causes an increase in baroreceptor firing, which means, in other words, means increase in sympathetic nervous system, which leads to increase in heart rate and increase in total peripheral resistance. Getting this? Screenshot this thing. Understand it later. So the increase in heart rate, which means decreased diastolic filling time. Getting this? If you increase the heart rate, you are not giving enough time to fill the heart, which means decrease end diastolic pressure in left ventricle. There is increase in total peripheral resistance. There is, if you are increasing heart rate by what? By increasing SA node firing, which means there will be an increase in slope of the pacemaker potential. It will have to, pacemaker potential will go just fasting up. The slope will increase. So let's see the options. An increase in right atrial pressure, no. Increase in right atrial pressure, how? No. How? Why no? Because see, blood is going less to left atrium. The left atrial pressure is decreasing. The PCWP is decreasing. The entire circuit, we are decreasing the blood in the heart. How can the right atrial pressure alone can rise? No, not possible. Increase in left ventricular end diastolic pressure, heart is beating fast, no, end diastolic pressure is going to decrease. Increase in pulmonary capillary wedge pressure, which is a fancy word for left atrial pressure. Remember this, which is a fancy word for left atrial pressure, pulmonary capillary wedge pressure. So yeah, no, we are decreasing the blood to entire heart, so it's going to decrease. So first three options are wrong. Reduction in slope of pacemaker, no, it's going to increase. I told you guys that we have to increase the rate of firing, so it's going to increase. Okay, so answer is reduction in diastolic filling time.
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.